Welcome to the Stomp Grip installation video. In this tutorial, we're going to go over every step necessary for you to correctly install your new Streetbike grip kit.
Items we'll use to install our new tank grip kit: a hairdryer or heat gun, a clean towel, isopropyl alcohol, and the grip kit itself. Check the back of the package to ensure you have the correct kit for your bike. Also check the manufacturing date. Your kit will be warrantied and should be installed within 1 year from this date. Start by removing the grip kit from the package. Locate the area that it's going to be applied and check the fit. Using the isopropyl alcohol, clean the entire area your kit will be applied to. Using the heat gun or the hair dryer, heat the entire area that the kit will be applied to. Also heat the kit itself. Both of these should be warm to the touch. Remove a small piece of the backing. Make sure you're not removing the adhesive itself. Position the kit in the area you want it applied. Now press down on the exposed adhesive. While slowly removing the backing, to ensure no air gets trapped behind your grip kit, press down with your towel as you see here.
Now that you have your new grip kit installed, go grab life by the tank.